There are 12 bills sitting in your pile right now. Bills you have been paying faithfully, month after month, year after year, that you may never have to pay again. Not because of some trick, not because of some loophole that's going to get you in trouble, but because there are legitimate, government-backed, federally funded programs designed specifically to eliminate or dramatically reduce these exact costs for American seniors, and the overwhelming majority of people who qualify have never claimed a single one of them. If that makes you feel a little frustrated, it should, because this information exists, these programs exist, and nobody sat you down and walked you through all of them, until right now. Before we go any further, please subscribe to this channel, because this is exactly what we do here, every single week. We find the programs, the benefits, and the protections that were built for you, and we make sure you actually know they exist. Hit that button now, because by the end of this video, you are going to want to come back for more. Now, I want to be honest with you right from the start, because your trust matters more to us than views. Not every program on this list applies to every senior watching. Some are income-based, some vary by state, some require an application that takes 30 minutes to complete. But every single program we are covering today is real, it is documented, it is currently active in 2026, and it has helped real seniors just like you dramatically reduce or completely eliminate bills they had been paying for years. What you do with this information is up to you, but you deserve to have it. So let's go through all 12. The first bill is property taxes. If you own your home and you are 65 or older, there is a very good chance your state, county, or municipality offers a senior property tax exemption, freeze, or deferral program that can cut your property tax bill significantly, in some cases down to zero. These programs exist in nearly every state in the country, but here is the problem. They are almost never automatic. You have to apply, and in many counties, the deadline to apply or recertify falls in the summer months. Seniors who don't know about these programs pay full property tax rates for years, sometimes for the rest of their lives, simply because nobody told them to fill out a form. Call your county tax assessor's office this week and ask specifically about senior property tax relief programs. This one call could save you over $1,000 a year. The second bill is your Medicare Part B premium. In 2025, that premium was $185 a month, $2,220 a year, coming straight out of your Social Security check before you ever see it. But here is what most seniors don't know. The Medicare Savings Program, which is run jointly by the federal and state governments, will pay that premium entirely for seniors who meet the income and resource thresholds. And those thresholds are higher than most people expect. You don't have to be in poverty to qualify. You simply have to apply. Call Social Security at 1-800-777-21213 and ask about Medicare savings programs in your state. If you qualify, that $185 a month stays in your pocket starting the month your enrollment is processed. The third bill is prescription drugs. The Extra Help Program, also called the Low-Income Subsidy, is a federal program that reduces prescription drug costs under Medicare Part D to near zero for qualifying seniors. We're talking copays as low as a few dollars per prescription for people who qualify. If you are currently paying significant amounts for medications every month and your income is modest, please apply for extra help through Social Security at ssa.gov or by calling 1-800-772-1213. The savings for people who qualify are not small, they are life-changing. The fourth bill is your heating and cooling costs. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, LIHEAP, is a federally funded program that helps eligible low-income seniors pay their utility bills, both in winter for heating and in summer for cooling. Seniors are among the most vulnerable people when temperatures get extreme, and a high electric bill should never be the reason someone suffers in dangerous heat or cold. Visit benefits.gov or call 1-800-423-0009 to find your state's LIHEAP program and check your eligibility today. The fifth bill is your phone bill. The Lifeline program is a Federal Communications Commission program that provides eligible low-income households, including seniors, with a monthly discount on phone or internet service. For qualifying participants, this can mean a completely free basic phone plan or a significant reduction in what you currently pay. If your income is at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines, you likely qualify. Visit lifelinesupport.org to apply or ask your current phone carrier whether they participate in the Lifeline program. The sixth bill is internet service. Staying connected online is no longer optional for seniors. It's how you access your My Social Security account, communicate with your doctors through patient portals, video call your grandchildren, and stay informed. But internet bills have gotten expensive. Several programs exist to help seniors reduce this cost, and your internet provider may offer a senior or low-income discount that you have simply never asked about. Call your provider directly and ask. You would be surprised how often discounts exist that are never advertised. The seventh bill is home repairs. If you own your home and are 62 or older with low income, the USDA Section 504 Home Repair Program offers grants, not loans, grants, of up to $10,000 to fix health and safety issues in your home. Leaking roof, broken heating system, unsafe electrical. These are the kinds of repairs that can keep seniors up at night worrying about costs they can't afford. This program exists to cover exactly those situations. Visit rd.usda.gov or call your local USDA Rural Development Office to learn more. The eighth bill is transportation. If you rely on public transit, buses, trains, paratransit services, the majority of cities and counties in America offer free or deeply discounted fares for seniors 65 and older. If you have been paying full fare, contact your local transit authority and ask specifically about senior fare programs. In many cities, this is a free lifetime pass simply for showing your ID and proof of age. The ninth bill is state income tax on your retirement income. Here is something that genuinely surprises many seniors. A large number of states do not tax Social Security income at all, and several states exempt pension income, retirement account withdrawals, or both. If you are paying state income tax on your Social Security benefits or pension right now, check your specific state's rules, because you may be paying a tax you don't legally owe. A quick call to a local tax preparer or your state's Department of Revenue can clarify this for you. The 10th bill is federal income tax. Many seniors with modest fixed incomes owe zero federal income tax, yet they still file and sometimes still pay because they don't realize how much the standard deduction increases after age 65. For the 2025 tax year, seniors 65 and older receive an additional standard deduction amount on top of the regular deduction. Combined with the fact that up to 85% of Social Security benefits may be excluded from taxation depending on your combined income, many seniors with moderate benefit amounts owe nothing to the IRS. If you are not sure whether you even need to file, consult with a free VITA tax preparation site, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, which provides free tax help to seniors across the country. The 11th bill is bank fees, monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, ATM fees. These can quietly drain $20, $30, even $50 a month from seniors on fixed incomes. Most major banks and many credit unions offer completely free checking accounts for seniors, but they don't advertise them loudly because they'd rather keep collecting fees from people who don't know to ask. Call your bank this week and ask specifically whether they offer a senior checking account with no monthly fees. If they don't, a local credit union almost certainly does. The 12th bill is national park and federal recreation fees. If you love the outdoors, hiking, visiting national parks, enjoying federal recreation areas, the America the Beautiful Senior Pass is one of the best deals in America. For a one-time fee of $80, seniors 62 and older receive a lifetime pass that covers entrance fees to all national parks and federal recreation lands in the United States. If you have been paying per-visit entrance fees, 1 or 2 trips to a national park recoups that $80 investment entirely. You can purchase the pass online at store.usgs.gov or at any national park entrance. Now let's zoom out for a moment and look at what we just covered. Property taxes, Medicare premiums, prescription drugs, heating and cooling costs, phone and internet bills, home repair grants, transportation, state and federal income taxes, bank fees, national park access, 12 categories of real costs that real seniors are reducing or eliminating right now because they took the time to find out what programs exist and applied for them. None of this is complicated. None of it is a trick. It is simply a matter of knowing what you are entitled to and taking the steps to claim it. And here is the truth that I want to leave you with today. The system was not designed to make this easy to find. These programs are scattered across federal agencies, state offices, local governments, and private companies. Nobody is going to show up at your door with a check and a list of everything you qualify for. that responsibility falls on you, which is genuinely unfair for seniors who have already spent a lifetime navigating complex systems. But now you have the list, now you have the phone numbers, now you have the knowledge to take action. Please subscribe to this channel right now if you haven't already, because we put out new videos every week covering exactly this kind of information. Real programs, real savings, real actions you can take to protect your financial life in retirement. And please share this video today with every senior you know and care about, a parent, a sibling, a neighbor, a friend. Because somewhere in this list of 12, there is almost certainly something that applies to someone you love who has been paying a bill they never had to pay. You have the power to change that for them right now simply by pressing share. We will see you in the next video.